I mean, I know that the Ahmadiyyat movement was rooted in India, I believe, and then had your headquarters in Pakistan, and now to England. I'd just like to understand more why it had to relocate to England, and does it sadden you?
You see, Pakistani government during Bhutto's regime enacted a law against Ahmadis, that Ahmadis are not Muslims. But still we were part of the country as a citizen of Pakistan. We were participating in the political matters and other issues and in the politics of the country and other activities. And despite that law, we were worshipping as we wished, as according to our teachings. We were practicing and preaching to some extent, whatever we liked according to our belief. But during Ziaul Haq martial law regime, they further strengthened that through they enacted a law that was a martial law order and then passed by the assembly, that you cannot call your mosques mosques. You cannot name your children as Muslim name their children. You cannot pray 5 times as you wish according to your teachings, as Muslim do. And there are so many things which are the teachings of Islam, you cannot practice them. So this is why the then head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community had to migrate from Pakistan to the UK. And because he could not just sit idle, doing nothing. The leader has to lead the community. So he migrated after this law in 1984 from Pakistan and settled here in London. And after his demise, I was elected. And then, since then, we are here. As long as that law prevails, the leader of the Ahmadiyya community cannot go back to Pakistan.
Do you dream of going back, though?
Of course, yes. And we hope that one day we shall.